Your member statement.
Thank you very
Please proceed.
Yes. Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. Afrikaans is 100 jaar oud vanjaar. Die Vryheidsfront Plus in Gauteng wens hiermee Afrikaans 'n wonderskone taal, gebore op Afrika bodem, 'n geseënde 100ste verjaarsdag. Afrikaans is an African language. It is the third largest language spoken in South Africa, just after isiZulu and isiXhosa. It was created by many different peoples in Africa, for Africa, and is today spoken by all of those who contributed to its creation. The first Afrikaans text seems to have been made in Arabic form, which means that originally Afrikaans was written from right to left. The 2011 census indicates that only 40% of Afrikaans speakers are white. The language is increasingly being spoken by second and third language speakers. Afrikaans is 'n taal wat emosies kan verwoord soos min ander tale. Afrikaans vang die gees vas van tye van totale hopeloosheid tot verwondering van die natuur en God se liefde vir ons as mense. Soos oor die Anglo-Boereoorlog deur Jan F.J. Villiers in sy gedig Dis Al, W.E.G. Louw se gedig oor die hoop wat ons put deur Jesus Christus in die passie van ons Heer, en Adam Small se gedigte oor die swaar kry en stryd van die breingemeenskap en ander mense. However, Breyten Breitenbach, the Afrikaans poet who fought for the establishment of our new democracy, also expresses poetically his concern for the future of Afrikaans due to the negative government pressure on the language he lives and breathes through. In his poem titled Die Tong Vervreemding, or in English it is titled The Alienation of My Tongue. Afrikaans has grown as a language among the whole South African landscape since 1994. This shows that Afrikaans does not belong to any one individual or group of people, but to those who speak her. Veel geluk Afrikaans. Thank you, Madam Speaker.